Previously on Blinker Fluid.
Okay, so firstly we'll be using Maguire's Gold Class Car Wash, a normal sponge, a kitchen sponge. So I'll be using a wheel woolly to clean the barrel of the rim. So now in part 2 we'll be washing the body of the car. One thing to note is to use a microfiber towel when doing this so that you don't scratch the surface of the car. Another thing we would like to say is that this video will be more focused towards a cinematic. The reason being is that washing a car is a rather simple thing to do. You just have to make sure you apply even pressure and not too much pressure when you're washing the body of the car. Make sure the cloth is clean and use the dual bucket system, which will be explained in this video at a later time. So for now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the cinematic, guys. Let's go! And now we're going to talk about the dual bucket system. And over here on the right we have the soap bucket, and also on the left we have the rinsing bucket. So the reason why we have this is because when we put soap, it might get dirty as we wash the car. So what we do is we take the cloth and we then rinse it in the rinsing bucket. So firstly we take the cloth and we rinse it in the rinsing bucket, and then we squeeze it outside. We then follow by putting it into the soap bucket to get some soap and then put it on the car.